IAI Harop is an ammunition developed by the MBT division of Aerospace Industries. Insurgent munitions are designed to attack the battlefield and attack targets by ramming them and exploding. IAI Harop has a flight time of 6 hours and a range of 1,000 kilometers round trip. Seconds, the Harop drone attack approaches and the enemy alarm sounds, a sign that something bad is about to happen. This is what happened when the explosion hit by the Harop drone was very powerful, the shock and explosion. Harop reconnaissance drones are flown by operators to search for enemy targets. Harop uses man-in-the-loop mode, controlled by a remote operator, and immediately able to find the enemy's position. Harop operators can select static or moving targets detected by the aircraft's electro-optical sensors. The smaller Harop was 1/5 the size and had a 3 to 4 kilograms, 6.6 to 8.8 pounds, lighter warhead. IAI developed a smaller version of Harop for smaller applications called Mini Harop or Green Dragon. This weapon has a shorter endurance of 2 to 3 hours and is used tactically against time-critical targets or targets that hide and reappear. Harop drones were used to destroy Russian army tanks standing in a field on the front line. And the explosion was very powerful. At several points it was also seen that several tanks had been hit by Harop drone bombs from the operator's surveillance. In another location, a Russian army tank was destroyed by a drone. The drone detected that in the direction of the Black Sea there was a ship sailing. Drone operator surveillance towards the sea was also carried out until the drone found a ship that was sailing and was immediately attacked by the drone until it exploded. The ship was hit by a Harop drone bomb released by the operator until it was destroyed.